It's nighttime here dito po sa Canada, and I'm sure nasa araw po kayo ngayon. At this time, I am going po to a shopping store, and the reason is magsusoli po ako ng mga pinamili. Now, this is why I would like to share this time with you, our lifestyle here in Canada, especially the return policy po ng Canada. Now, what happened is that I purchased several items in the last 5 days po. Actually, in the last 4 days. And nung bumili po kami, it's for gift to my daughter, and gifts na rin po, preparation for Christmas sa mga bata. And of course, some other items personal po para sa akin. Now, it cost me more than $300 net po. Kahapon po, I got a call from a friend and telling me that their company is giving away coupons at 20% discount. Yung company po nila owns the store or yung line of store na binilan ko po kahapon or nung mga nakaraang araw. And so they are offering 20% discount. But I just bought several items from them. So sabi ko, kakabili ko lang. And so she was saying kung kailangan ko pa. But my husband works in another chain of store. They have this kind of mga discounts din na pinamimigay, and he knows the process of return policies. And so he told me that we should go to the store, and this is legal here, this kind of return policy. So ang ginawa po namin, magpupunta po kami dun sa store ngayon, and papakita ko po sa inyo how smooth the process is. Kahit na po nabili na namin siya, just as long that the coupon is valid starting today until another 3 days pa po. So that means I can enjoy the discount that is being offered by the coupon. Nabili ko na yon, right? Pero pwede ko pa rin po siyang isoli, and after that I can repurchase the item at a discounted price using the coupon po na binigay sa akin. Gets nyo ba? Ganon din po dito sa Canada. For example, Walmart and another store, merong item na mas mababa sa isang store. Nabili ko na sa Walmart, for example, comb, right? Which is, for example, $10. Pagkatapos, this weekend, magkakaroon ng promotional week, and meron silang mga, say for example, anniversary offers, discounts like that. Makikita mo yon dun sa magazine na $7 lang. Nabili ko na from Walmart. I still can go and return that and show them actually yung pong mga magazine where it's showing the discounted, or we call those flyers, right? And pwede rin natin isoli pa po at ipakita sa Walmart the discounted price, and you know what they'll do? They will match it up. They will match it up, and kahit na nabili mo na siya previous days pa, as long as it is within the return period, i-honor po ng mga establishments dito, and that is legal return policy po rito. So we're not cheating the system. Pwede mo lang siya isoli, yung ganyan ba, and it is fully accepted po here in Canada. So I will show you po kung paano po yung gagawin namin dito sa store na ito, and very smooth process how they're going to just accept it, and then I can just repurchase it using the coupon that I received from my friend. Sayang naman yun, di ba? 300 plus, it's more than $60 po, right? Hindi madaling trabahuin yon. Kaya yung $60 na yon, at least nakakabili pa ako ng isang magandang jacket, makakabili pa ako ng maybe 3 decent tops or blouses, or to good quality na mga sweaters. So, it's practical po. Okay? So, ito na po yung mga items for return. Oh, not here, Asa.
That's all, yeah?
And everything is refunded. Oh, not here, Asa. And this is our card. Empty. So, yun lang po. Gusto ko lang pong i-share sa inyo Canadian living. Okay, bye.